Hello, friends. So, everybody wear jeans. Like, if you're a girl or a boy, uh, you always wear jeans most of the time. So, let's see if your jeans get ripped off, like this one. I mean, if sometimes if it happens over here, it's fine, but near the pocket side, sometimes you cannot use it. So, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So look at my other pant. Yeah, I applied the patch and see it was a big pad, so I just applied on the front and on the back side too. So it's pretty good, guys. So let me show you. This one I got it from the Walmart, and that was like $2 something, and it's very helpful for the next time if your hand ripped off from near the pocket or somewhere an awkward place. Then you can easily patch it, and you need an iron for this. So just place it over here and then place the iron and just press it for 1 minute over here, 1 minute over here, 1 minute over here, and the same way from the other side, and just press it hard, and you can do it like 2 3 times until it sticks very good, and just leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, and here you go.